Yo guys, what's up? It's Malawi and welcome back to another video. In today's video guys, I'm going to be teaching you how to become a better commentator and to find your commentator style. And if you do find this video helpful, then please do hit that like button and subscribe with post notifications on if you're new to the channel. And the shout out for this video should be on screen right now. If you want a shout out like that in the next video, then remember to comment down below hashtag OG Squad and drop a like on this video. And with that being said, let's get on with the video. So the first tip I have for you is just to have a decent mic. A recommendation for a microphone that I have for PC is the Blue Snowball mic. It's only $40 and with a little bit of audio editing in Audacity you can get it to sound as good as a Blue Yeti. And if you're on iPhone or Android, I would really recommend the Turtle Battle Buds. They don't sound as good as any of the high-end mics, but they're good for starters. And they're just a little bit above $20. Next tip I have for you is just to find your style. What I mean by that is just your personality while commentating. Like, are you going to be super hype? Are you going to be super chill? And like what type of commentary that you're going to record. The most popular types of commentary are live commentary and reaction commentary. And the next tip I have for you is just to add background music. Background music can be very engaging to your audience, especially if you're not talking that much in your video, then background music really helps. It also really helps to remove background noise and other noise that your mic may be making. For example, my mic kind of makes a humming sound whenever I record, and I find that background music really helps remove that white noise. And that is all the tips that I have to share in this video. Really hope you guys enjoyed. If you want to watch a couple more videos, there'll be a playlist up in the card of my favorite videos. Also, remember to subscribe and drop a like if you enjoyed. Really helps out the channel and I appreciate it. Stay humble, stay safe, I'm out. Peace.